2015 EX Sunday bike check. So for us, what I upgraded is I have Sunday Vortex ball ends. They kind of suck because they freaking scratch up all the time, and I hate them because I spent too much money on them, like 15 bucks. The stupid handle grips, I hate them because they integrate, when you're riding too hard, they lose like the grippiness, and they're kind of soft, but not that soft. I have an Odyssey brake system. I don't really like it. It's spring fed. Over there, it says spring fed. It's like a $35 system. I have a Sunday EX Boardwalk edition. Yeah, I already have a dent on it. It's over here because I've had it for like since it came out. Right there.
Can't see it. Just keep going.
And I have Chase Hawk tires. I have a front load, top load stem. Pretty nice. It doesn't move my bars at all. It's really nice. I have a Sunday chrome bars. I'm selling them because I don't need them anymore. If anybody wants them, tell me. Hit me up on Instagram at Scott Souls or Dope123456. I'll put it down in the description. Chase Hawk tires, they suck in dirt. You just slide out in them all the time. They're good street tires because they are street tires. I have a Sunday rim, a Sunday front hub, female bolts. I like them because then you can't put screw-on pegs on them. And then these are bullet valve, chrome. So they match these, polished. I have Odyssey twisted PCs. I hate them because they're just black. I'm getting the Odyssey the Odyssey Galaxy purple ones. I have chrome cranks, Sunday. I think I'm selling these too. Hit me up if you're in the area of like Waddell or Surprise.
Phoenix, Arizona.
Yeah, because that's where I live. I have 3 good luck charms. That's my luck charms because I like to have them right there. I have a Sunday seat. It says Sunday on it. Yeah. And then I have a Sunday rocket. Yeah. And then really the same in the back. I have a Sunday hub. Oh, and I have a full link chain, but I'm getting a half link Shadow Conspiracy. Female bolts, a back hub. That's Sunday. I'm getting a free coaster. I don't know what it's called, but it's a really good free coaster. It's like $300, $325 free coaster. It's $325. Black spokes, both of them. Silver nipples. Yeah, and the same tire as front. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, and bye.